AliExpress is huge. It's one of the largest online marketplaces in the world. It's a global online marketplace that connects millions of buyers and sellers from all corners of the globe. You can find almost anything on AliExpress. Whether you're looking for the latest gadgets, trendy fashion, or unique home decor, it's all here. From clothing and electronics to home goods and beauty products, it's a shopper's paradise. The variety is truly astounding, catering to every need and preference. Millions of people use AliExpress every day. It's a bustling hub of activity with users from different countries exploring and purchasing products. It's known for its wide selection and affordable prices. Shoppers love the deals and discounts, making it a go-to destination for budget-friendly shopping. Finding good suppliers is super important on AliExpress. Why? Because you want to make sure you're getting quality products. Reputable suppliers deliver on time and offer good customer service. So how do you find these awesome suppliers? First, check supplier ratings. Supplier ratings are a great indicator of their reliability and the quality of their products. Look for high ratings and positive reviews from other buyers. Second, read reviews carefully. Reviews can provide valuable insights into the experiences of other customers. Pay attention to comments about product quality and shipping times. Consistent positive feedback on these aspects is a good sign. Third, don't be afraid to ask questions. If you have any doubts or need clarification, reaching out can save you from potential issues later. Contact the supplier directly if you need more information. Asking about their return policy, shipping methods, and product details can help you make a more informed decision. Building a good relationship with your supplier can also lead to better deals and smoother transactions in the future. Section 4, AliExpress by the numbers. Let's dive into some fascinating statistics about this e-commerce giant. AliExpress is a giant in the world of e-commerce, and its numbers are truly staggering. Get this, over 150 million buyers are on AliExpress. Yes, you heard that right, 150 million. That's a lot of shoppers. Imagine the entire population of several countries combined, all shopping on one platform. Every day there are over 20 million transactions on the platform. And guess what? These transactions range from electronics to fashion and everything in between. AliExpress ships to over 200 countries and regions worldwide. This means that no matter where you are, you can get your favorite products delivered right to your doorstep. It's a truly global marketplace. Section 5. Conclusion. Shop smart, shop AliExpress. AliExpress offers incredible deals on a massive selection of products. By following these simple tips, you can shop with confidence. Remember to check supplier ratings, read reviews, and ask questions. Happy shopping!